Yo, what's up guys? Additional Pokemon from Jollibee. So I have already 6 of them. The Psyduck, the Munchlax, and of course the Golduck, Snorlax, Pikachu, and Lucario. So I need to have Vulpix, Ninetales, Pichu, and Ninetales. So I bought 6 kiddie meal earlier, so I have here to open 3. So let's see. This one, actually you can also find here on this piece of paper what's inside. So this is supposedly Ninetales evolved form of Vulpix. So let's see. Pokemon. This is supposed to be Ninetales, so evolved form. That's why it's Great Ball. So hard. Of course, this is Ninetales. This is Ninetales. Yeah, okay. Then next Pokemon we have here. Next Pokemon is here. On the box it says Riolu. So base form of Lucario. So that's why it's a regular Pokeball. Okay, it's Riolu. Okay, put it inside the Pokeball. We have Riolu. Lastly, for the 6 of my Pokemon collection, we have here another regular Pokeball. We have Vulpix. So I have here Vulpix. I have in the other 3 boxes 2 Vulpix and 1 Psyduck. I'm willing to trade 1 Psyduck with 1 Vulpix to 1 Pichu, because that's the only Pokemon I need to complete the collection. Alright.